Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you another simple strategy, and why this strategy is very important is that if you understand the market movement, okay, because I'm going to be sharing with you how to know or how to get that early information of market change in direction, okay, change in direction of the market. And this is exactly what will help you when a lot of people will be pumping in money to a particular direction and you are doing the opposite, right? You are doing the opposite because you have already gotten the information on time. So how do you now get this reversal information on time? When people are buying, you are selling. When they are selling, you are buying. And people will be wondering, how do you know that I thought we're supposed to be selling and you are buying, and actually it went your way? I think there's something you know that we did not know. That thing is exactly what I want to share with you in this video. Okay, so now simply we are going to be focusing on the trend, right? You know I focus a lot on trend. So if the price is trending up, guys, okay, if the price up this way, okay, so remember you are going to draw your trend line, right? So if the price should bounce to this level, I want to ask you a question. Before you proceed with this video, answer this question, okay, diligently, okay, be truthful. Don't watch this video maybe after, maybe check whatever I'm going to explain before you answer the question. I want you to pause this video now and answer this question I want to ask you. So what are we going to be doing? Are we to buy, or are we supposed to be selling? Which one? I want you to answer. I believe you have given your answer now in the comment section. So maybe some people say we are supposed to be buying and some people say we are supposed to be selling. So either ways, let's see what actually happened, whether you got information on time or not. Now if you look here, what we are going to be doing, okay, the common thing traders will be doing is because they have seen already this particular move. Maybe they know about touches. They have one, two, and this could be the third touch, or they are counting from here, one, two, and this could be the third touch, right? So probably most of us, we say we are going to be buying, and also some might say we are going to be selling. Okay, so but what exactly are we going to be doing? What information is this market passing to us? Okay, so I think this market actually is showing us, okay, a sign of weakness among buyers. Okay, you can see this high. We have this high. Okay, so look at the next high here, and if you look here, the high is actually forming a kind of double top right here. Okay, so when you see something like this, you have seen already a sign of weakness at this point, that this price couldn't create a new high, right? When this price couldn't create a new high, you're expecting something. This could be a change of trend. This is a kind of double top right there, is a change of trend. Okay, but you don't just confirm this. You don't just, okay, now because the change of trend we are going to be selling here. There are a few things I want you to check. And what are the signal you are looking for? I want you to focus on whatever that happened at this leg, that the price is pushing, this particular point the price is pushing to the downside. Okay, I want you to focus there now on a lower time frame. Okay, so what do I mean? Let me give you this. The price is pushing up this way. Okay, so at this point the price pushes this way and bounce back to this level. So now you are seeing, you are looking at this trend. So once the price push all the way to this zone, okay, so what I want you to be focusing on is this particular level. What is actually happening at this leg, at the price push, creating that level, trying to retest our trend line here. What exactly is this price, the retest, doing? So what you need to do is to go to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. So when the price is pushing up, I want to show you what you are going to see on a lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. The price might pushing up this way, okay, and you see some kind of retracement here. Price is also pushing up again, creating a new high. Then you might see a retracement here. Then the price can equally be pushing up this way and couldn't break on a lower, on a high. This is a lower time frame, right? So you have the first level here, first high. Okay, look at the second high. So the third high now, which is supposed to break, couldn't break this. So what you want to see on a lower time frame is that selling vibe. You want to see the price start creating lower lows, okay, and lower, that is lower lows to the downside. By then, remember, you have a trend line this way, which at this point you are expected, okay, because the price have touched maybe here one, or here one, two, and the third touch, so you're expecting to buy here. But if you look at the lower time frame, what the price is doing within this zone, the price is also creating a downtrending market on, that is a subtrend. Okay, within that particular retracement you are having a downtrend. So when you're having that downtrend, remember the price have already given, the price has failed to break the high right here, okay, which is a sign of change of trend or weakness among buyers. Okay, when you have seen this weakness and within the trend you are seeing a reversal, you're already seeing that confirmation, you're already seeing the price start creating lower lows and lower highs on a lower time frame. Okay, that's the point. Instead of you now buying, you wait for the price to break that level and retest it and you sell instead of buying. Okay, so let me clearly share with you an example of what I'm explaining. So if you look here, let me get a line. Okay, if you look right here, if you look right here, can you see we have this point here, one, and we have two, and this is the third touch. Okay, so at this third touch we expect, we are going to be expecting the price. Okay, forget that the price have played out. Before this price play out, you are going to be expecting the price to sell. We're expecting the price to sell more to the downside at that point. But look at the information the price I've given. Clearly watch this price. This is the point. Price created a low and created a high, created a low. But the problem now is that this low couldn't break or clear the previous low, right? So that is a sign of weakness, okay, which you can see as double bottom. Now when the price is pushing to the upside, okay, you want to be focusing on what is this price doing. Okay, this retracement, what you call retracement at this point, what is the price doing on a lower time frame? So you go to 15 minutes time frame, guys. Okay, so on 15 minutes time frame, I want you to pay close attention to what the price is doing on a lower time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame. So look at the price on a lower time frame. So the price is approaching that level, okay, going back, creating this low, pushing up again, and retest. Then at this point, instead of you selling, you are buying. So you want to see the price clearly break, okay, break your trend line and retest it. So once the price break and retest your trend line, you are to buy on a lower time frame. So instead of selling, why, you know, at this point people are going to be selling, instead of selling, maybe you have seen, look at the fake signal right here. You have seen a bearish engulfing candle, so people are going to sell with this candlestick right here. So instead of selling, you are waiting for a bullish engulfing, okay, which is something that happened here. You're waiting for bullish engulfing at a retest. So when the price retested that zone, you make your entry using the bullish engulfing candlestick. So instead of selling, you are buying. So at the close of this candle right here, you have to buy here. Okay, so that's how simple this strategy is. Okay, simply identify on a high time frame when the price is actually pushing to the upside. So at a point, you wait for the price failing to break a high, which is here, okay, and push all the way to this level. Then on lower time frame, you want to see that bearish power retest and you sell. Okay, so as simple as that, guys. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you are going to try this out and see how these things work. They are very simple price action strategy which you can use on any indices or currency pair. They are very simple and you can use them. Try them out, backtest them, build confidence on this strategy, and thank me later. Okay, so that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how you feel about this video. Okay, and also don't forget to share this video so that this video will get to a lot of people who might be finding difficult to, you know, um, um cover a strategy for themselves. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.